If you've never heard of SoundSheet, here's a quick version. SoundSheet is the all-in-one production tool for film and television sound, built for location recordists, sound mixers, SFX recordists, and rental owners. Think of everything your job is scattered across: your shooting schedule, your gear inventory, scene and SFX notes, timesheets, billings, and invoices. And now picture it all in a single app, on all your devices, always in sync. That's SoundSheet. You can find it at soundsheet.app. And recently it got a big update, a lot of new features and a lot of things done better. So let me walk you through it screen by screen and show you everything that's new.
Cactuzz sound.
We start on the schedule, your shooting days. Every day now carries a status: hold, confirmed, or cancelled. So a tentative booking and a locked-in shot don't look the same anymore. Up top you've got filter pills. They're multi-select now, so you can stack them. Show me confirmed and hold at once. And there's a dedicated archived filter, because old jobs don't clutter your list. Just swipe a day to archive it, swipe again to bring it back. You can also add a prep day, a dedicated setup day before the shoot, so your gear test and load-in time is tracked separately. Open a day, and this is where the real work happens. Everything for that shoot lives here. Scenes, with set names, locations, day or night, priority, cast count, and flags for ADR, wild lines, room tone, and production effects. Everything a recordist actually tracks. Sound effects get their own section, organized into categories with perspective, mic used, take count, and status. And it speaks the industry's language. Full UCS, the Universal Category System, import and export. There's a kit checklist for the day. Tick off your gear as you pack, with battery levels and quantities right there. Flip on the timesheet and log your call time, wrap time, and breaks. Worked hours calculate automatically. And you can attach photos right to the day. Scout shots, setups, gear placement. Tap any photo and it opens full screen. Pinch to zoom in. Now the gear. This is your full equipment inventory. And notice the categories. They collapse and expand, each with its own icon and color and account. Big kit lists stay manageable. Every item can hold photos and a serial number, so your inventory doubles as a proof of ownership. And here's a big one for rental owners, the insurance report. Select your items and export a clean PDF with serial numbers and replacement values. Perfect for a claim or for proving your kit's worth. Templates saves you from rebuilding the same day over and over. They're grouped by day type now, in those same collapsible sections, and each template carries its own billing rates. So a standard shoot day, a travel day, and a prep day each bill correctly out of the box. Billing has a detailed mode. Break out your day rate, overtime, and extras instead of flat number. And it rolls straight into invoicing. Build a proper invoice, track its status, and export it to CSV for your accountant. If you work internationally, this matters. Every total respects its currency. Euros, pounds, dollars, they're grouped and summed separately. Here's the feature I'm most excited about: workspace sharing, completely rebuilt. Instead of fiddly invite links, it now works like the apps you already know. You tap to generate a short code. You choose exactly what to share. Your gear inventory, your schedule, your invoices independently. Share only what you want with whom you want. Your crew just types that code on their device. Any iCloud account doesn't matter, and your workspace appears live. And the partner view is rich now. Open a shared day and you get everything. Notes, scenes, the SFX list, the kit checklist, the rate, the hours, even the photos. Every section collapses and expands, so it's never overwhelming. And you can tap any photo to zoom right in. And the newest addition, website integration. SoundSheet can publish your gear list as a clean public web page with photos that you can share with clients or embed on your own site. You get a permanent link and ready-to-paste embed code. That one's a subscription, and it's brand new in this release. A few things you'll feel even if you don't see them. Everything syncs over iCloud across your iPhone, iPad and Mac, with a live sync indicator so you know it's working. SoundSheet also has a real Mac app, and I mean a native Mac app, not the phone app in a window. It syncs the exact same iCloud data, so the moment you open it, your shots, your gear, your invoices are already there. On set, you're on the phone, back at the desk, the Mac takes over. And the Mac is where the paperwork lives. Invoices, day reports, rental lists, inventory and insurance PDFs, SFX exports for Soundly, SoundMiner and Basket, all with a real keyboard and a big screen. The Mac handles things a little differently from iPhone. There are no ads at all here, so there's no remove ads to buy. Instead, the free Mac app gives you up to 5 active shooting days to try everything, and a single one-time macro purchase unlocks unlimited days and every export forever. No subscription, no ads, buy it once and it's all yours. And here's something for everyone who's been asking: SoundSheet is coming to Android. A version is in the works right now, so this won't be an Apple-only thing for much longer. And that's where you come in. I'm looking for testers. If you record sound and you want early access to help shape it and tell me what works and what doesn't, I'd love to have you. Head to soundsheet.app or drop a comment below and I'll get you in. That's SoundSheet today. Your schedule, your gear, your billing, your crew and your web presence, all in one place, built specifically for production sound. iPhone in your pocket, iPad on the move, a real Mac app at your desk and Android on the way, all sharing the same data. If that's your world, give it a try. Everything's at soundsheet.app. Subscribe for what's coming next and let me know in the comments what you want to see. Thanks for watching.